Good morning and welcome to the Yorkshire Gardeners video of today on this how-to group. So let's see what we're doing today. Today we are going to be planting our leek seeds, as now is the time to be getting them started. You can obviously start them earlier in the year, last year, but yeah, now is the time to be sowing them. January, a lot of people I've seen online grow monster leeks. I would love to grow competition leeks one day, but for now we'll just stick into the basic normal leeks. So we're going to get those planted. Let me know if you have planted your leeks yet and how they're getting on in the comments below. So yeah, let's get those seeds planted. So to plant leeks we need a seed tray. I'm using 2 because in this packet there are 400 seeds altogether. As you can tell, the date's out of date, but they should still grow. Oh no, packaged in 2019, should be alright, so 22. So yeah, we're going to get those seeds planted. So you need a seed tray, you need your compost, and you need a label to pop on it. And I also use my trusty cling film to cover them with. So let's get cracking. So the first job is to get the compost in the trays, obviously. So fill them about half full with compost. Good quality compost. You don't want to use recycled compost unless you make your own. Make sure it's nice and levelish. Once they're filled, you can get your leek seeds. Like I said, there's 400 in here, so you need to be careful with them. And obviously they are very small as well, so let's get them out and be careful with them. They always hide in the corners of the packet, so you can pick these up from a garden centre or online. I'll drop a link to getting some. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see on the camera, they are extremely small. 400 in there, apparently. I don't know who've counted them all. So we're just going to sprinkle them out into the 2 seed trays. You can't actually see where you planted them, so you've got to be careful that you don't do a big clump together, as they're black, so they don't stand out very well. But yeah, we've got them in. Gonna put in a few more extra for good timing. The worst thing will be is separating them all, but we'll see how that gets on when we get to them. So we've now got the seeds in the seed tray. So the next job is to cover them over. This will keep them warmer, and obviously they need to be covered for them to grow through. So they're all nicely covered. So next job is to cover them with some water. Not too much, just to make them nice and moist. So I've watered them now. So the next job is what I love to do. Use my cling film, my little trick. does anybody else use cling film or shared that tip from me in the past? Let me know. So that's them covered. So the next step is to put labels on so you know what they are once they're growing. That's one label. That's two labels. So we've got them all done now, so we can pop them somewhere warm to help germinate them, because obviously they need warm weather to get them going. So either if you've got a heated greenhouse or somewhere warm, preferably indoors in your house or in your polytunnel, I'll put some tips on how to keep your polytunnel warmer if you've got it down on the allotment. So that's that done for today. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video today. Remember, if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with my latest videos. And remember, if you're watching the group, come back tomorrow and see tomorrow's video. So I hope this has been beneficial. Let me know if you're going to try leeks this year, or if you've even started them. Some people will have started them already. Post pictures below to show me what they look like. So thank you for watching today's video.